What's your name, sir?
Marlon.
Marlon?
Marlon.
How long you been trucking?
10 years.
In 10 years.
10 years.
Has fuel ever been this high?
No, never.
What's the highest you paid so far per gallon?
Yeah, I drive mostly West Coast.
Oh my gosh. So
Yeah.
what's those numbers looking like?
Yeah, so pay around $5 a gallon.
$5 a gallon?
Yeah.
What's going on, mother truckers? You know, all around America, diesel is extremely expensive everywhere you go. You know, anywhere from Florida for $4.32 to California from $5.50. You know, you look back and you wonder, what is going on? Diesel fuel is the highest it's been in 9 years, and it's really not the fault of the truck stops. But let me give you some reasons why the prices have gone up. Real quick, mother truckers, I just want to give a shout out to Rainey's Inc., man. They're carrying all my mother trucker gear at their headquarters. So mother truckers, go check them out, man. I appreciate you guys so much. I thank you for that support. And so whatever I could do to support y'all too. But this is an issue right here across America, and here are some reasons why fuel is so expensive. Is they say the market reactions to supply and demand have changed. And so during the pandemic, a lot of people were in the house, and now they're out and about. And because of that, more people are using more fuel, so the demand has gone up, so the prices have gone up as well. There was a time when America said, no, we're gonna pump our own, and that time has stopped, and we said that we did not need OPEC, right? And that's a membership across the world of 24 countries that pump for the rest of the world. And so now we're saying that we need them, and we're asking them to pump more, so the demand has gone up, so the prices have gone up as well. Crude oil prices have just skyrocketed, so that's gonna make diesel prices go up. They say time of the year is a factor. But here's the thing, they say January, February, and March is the cheapest because people aren't traveling as much for holidays and vacation. So if prices for diesel are $4 to $5 from California right now, at the end of this year when people are going on vacation, you might see it at 6 or 7. So this is scary, people. The government wants to go electric and green so bad that they're putting so many taxes on diesel fuel. And so they have to go with all the regulations, and because of the regulations and taxes, it's making it harder and more expensive to pump. So at the end of the day, diesel fuel prices are going to go up. These are definitely reasons where, you know, it's going to affect the prices. Now, should we be getting paid more? Yes. You know, are brokers telling shippers that they should be paid more because prices of fuel are going up? Yes. Are they giving those prices to us? No. So, mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. But, you know, this is definitely an issue right now.